Hello, it is me again. So I did 4 years in the Navy and I went to Singapore and I got this really cool scroll on like rice paper and I loved it. And I had this crazy pit bull and he decided that he was going to chew up the bamboo that holds the damn thing together. I've held on to it for a while and the picture's fine. So I'm gonna make some sort of framing and I'm gonna hang this up. I'm gonna save it. So let me show you. So that's where my dog went nuts on it. It's like some rice paper. So you chewed up the hole where you hang it, you know. But the picture itself is fine. It's still in good shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a spray adhesive and I'm gonna put it on some sort of backing. And I got this like wall, really thin wood. So I'm going to measure it out and I'll use a spray adhesive and I'll adhere it to the wood. And then I'm just gonna build like a little frame. I got this wainscoting my dad gave me, that he found. But it's nice and thin. It's got a nice little edge to it. And so what I'll do is I'll just boop, like that. And I gotta kinda measure it out and cut my boards. 45 on, make them all pretty. Stain them, clear coat them, and then I'll go ahead and like just use a nail gun and shoot them in here, and then the nails will come out the other side. This is so thin, and I'll just use some snips and I'll cut the nail heads or the nails off the backing. The reason I'm staining and clear coating before I even try to put it together is because you got this edge, and there's no way you're gonna be able to stain that without getting it on the painting. Even if you tape it, whatever, it's gonna happen. So if I do that and I clear coat it, then all I gotta do is fill the holes, hit them with some stain, and I can clear coat it and I can just ride this edge and not even get close to the painting. It'll be fine. And then I'm just gonna shoot it into my wall. I'm just gonna nail it. I mean, I could probably put a little hanging thing on the back or whatever, but I'm lazy. I'm just gonna put it where I want it, and I'm just gonna shoot nails into the damn wall so it's there. It's my house, it's permanent. I don't care. Okay, I'm a dummy. This project's supposed to be like quick and easy. I was like, oh, this is quick and easy. I'll just bang it out. And I rushed and I cut all my pieces backwards. I am a dummy. Measure twice, cut once. Yeah, I just measured and cut. That's what I did. And then I ruined it. So it's a good thing that I have extra wood and I can make this work. But most people wouldn't show you this because it's, you know, it's embarrassing. You screwed up. This is a video. But I think it's important that you know that like we all screw up and you just gotta roll with it. Things happen. So I'll show you what I did. So this wainscoting, you know, it's meant to go together like that, right? So you got a nice like edge, and then you got the slotted edge. Okay. So I'm doing this frame. I wanted the nice edge to go against the painting, and the slotted edge to be like the back, right? So I went and just started cutting my 45s. Now cut my 45. I cut them all freaking backwards, dude. I don't even know how I did it. I don't even, like, this is the nice edge. Why is it going that way? How did what the hell am I thinking? I mean, it's a frame. It's gotta go like that. Right? Like that. Not, that's the back. I did it backwards. So, yeah, that's done. So I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna rip down this big ass thing with a skill saw, and my math has been horrible today, so whatever, man. If I screw it up, I screw it up. Who cares? I don't care anymore. Good God. Easy. Oh, this is gonna be an easy project. Yeah, right. No such thing. No such thing as an easy project. This thing is supposed to be simple. It's beating me up. It's taking me way longer than it should because I keep screwing up. Damn public school system. I can't do math. All right. I'm not defeated yet. It's cold. It's cold in here. My toes are cold. Still working. Let's do it. Come on. Rally. Come on, baby. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. Trying to motivate myself. Bye-bye. Boom. Got all my pieces cut. I don't think I screwed them up. So, whatever. I won't find out if my math is wrong until I put the painting on it. And it's too late now. I mean, like, can't do nothing about it now. I already cut everything. So I think I'm good. I know they're the right way. So that's a plus. It's a score. Putting on gloves. Because it's time to stain. I was gonna stain this with the old stain I had that I did my island with, so it matched. And then I went to take it out, and it was hard. It was done. So scratch that idea. So we're gonna go with the good old Spanish oak. It's dark. It's nice. Kind of. I mean, it'll work. Who cares, right? Spanish oak. Spanish oak. I like the Spanish oak. It's my fave. It's so dark. It's so dark. It's a nice color. I love it. Spanish oak, baby. Spanish oak. Miller paint. Bah. Miller paint. Friendly, knowledgeable, love them. Good prices. Miller paint. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm being a jackass today, okay? All right, whatever. So I'm going to get this stain ready. Got it nice and stirred up. Gotta stir it. Stir it up. Ooh, baby, stir it up. Okay. It is stirred. So that big piece, that's like the platform for the painting, you're gonna see that edge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stain the edge really quick. That's what I'm gonna do. First thing. So, yeah. Here we go. Alright, so stain says take 5 to 15 minutes before you wipe it off. And the reason they give that wide range is because certain woods are more absorbent and certain things are not. So it's kind of like a guessing game where that's going to land and how long you need to leave it. This was end grain. End grain is so absorbent. So as opposed to the face, it's not gonna just soak in, but the end grain is just, it's just holes. So I wiped it, I put it on, and I wiped it like immediately because it's gonna be dark. It's gonna just soak right in. It's gonna be way darker than these light pieces. So these lighter pieces, I'm gonna have to let them sit there a little longer. Information, stain, highly flammable. So don't just wad this rag up and throw it somewhere. It can spontaneously combust into flames. So what you want to do is just take it, lay it outside, let it dry, you know. You can put it in a bucket of water, whatever you want. Just don't just leave it in your shop. Please don't burn yourself. I would feel very bad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm using this spray adhesive right here. Never used it before. It says I have 15 seconds. Spray it on, 15 seconds. This is a big surface. You ever laid a big sticker down and try to get all the bubbles out and all that? It's like that. I gotta make it flush, and I gotta flush it out. I made a little board or whatever. I made this little janky, I'll show you, this little board to kind of use as a scraper and try to like flush it out and make it level. But I don't know, man. This whole thing has been horrible, so I'll probably mess it up. I don't know. I mean, geez. I'm scared. I don't want to mess it up. I'm so scared right now. Oh, don't screw it up, Adam. Not even. Alright, so it's adhered to the base, so I'm gonna shoot some nails in the frame. Here we go. All right, there you go. Final product up on the wall. Looks pretty good. I love the sheen. I love the stain. Made everything pop. And thank you for watching, and I hope you continue.